Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Proton Pass account in 2026. If you want a secure password manager to store and manage your login details, this guide will help you get started step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Proton Pass website. Next, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button on the homepage. Now enter your email address. Make sure you use a valid and accessible email because it will be used for verification. Next, create a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Now complete the verification step by checking your email inbox and confirming your account. Next, log in to your new Proton Pass account using your email and password. Now set up additional security options, such as two-factor authentication, if it is available. This adds an extra layer of protection. Next, explore the dashboard where you can start adding passwords, secure notes, and login credentials. Now install the Proton Pass browser extension or mobile app if you want easy access across devices. Finally, make sure to save your recovery options so you can regain access if you ever forget your password. And that's it. You've successfully created a Proton Pass account. You can now securely store and manage all your passwords in one place. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.